above is broad enough as to encompass all of this. Firstly, a precedent has been set, which I dare say is not only consistent with the Constitution because of Section 33, but it's on all fours with what transpired into it, leading on to the passing of the Boundaries Wards Delimitation Regulation 2008. Secondly, the Electoral Commission would not be acting outside its functions, which are well stated in Section 33 of the Constitution Act number 6 of 19, which has been well documented. Thirdly, by Section 32(11) of the Constitution, in exercise of these functions, the Electoral Court is not subject to the control and direction of any person or authority. Declarations. All things considered, this court hereby makes the following declarations. 1. That on a proper construction of Section 38A, 1 of Constitutional Amendment Act number 15, all conditions precedent for the holding of or conducting of general elections of ordinary members of Parliament through a district block representative were met and or fulfilled. 2. That a directive given by His Excellency the President to the Electoral Commission of Sierra Leone to hold the 2023 elections, public elections for ordinary members of Parliament by the district block representation system instead of constituencies was in tandem with the provisions of Section 38(1) of the 1991 Constitution as amended and therefore not ultra-vires. 3. That the current Parliament will soon be dissolved and thereafter all constituencies currently existing will be extinguished for purposes of representation in Parliament in favor of representatives representing each of the 16 districts of Sierra Leone, inclusive of independent candidates who secure the minimum threshold for the attainment or securing of seats in Parliament. 4. That the revision of constituents as provided in Section 38(4) does lead to alteration of the number and or establishment of subject to parliamentary approval. 5. That independent candidates can and are part of the electoral system and can stand and be voted for to be included in any of the seats representing the existing 16 districts in the country. 6. That statutory instruments number 13 and 14 of 16th November are part of the laws of Sierra Leone and are not altered by Section 33 and 38 of the Constitution Act number 6 of 1991, Section 38A of the Constitution as amended in 2001, and Section 171 of the Public Elections Act number 17 of 2001. 7. That pursuant to and subject to the current law in the country, inclusive of the Constitution and statutory instruments number 13 and 14 of 16 November 2002, local councils elections will be expected to be by district block representations approved